Today is the day. Oh man, if I tell you guys that I'm not nervous, it's because I'm lying. Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog again. Matty here as always. First of all, if you're seeing my eyes really itch, it's because my allergies are really bad. Also, my arm, since I put the balancer on, I kind of struggle with this arm, and other day I was holding my son, so it got worse. With that out of the way, today's the day that we're gonna take the car to the dyno. And to be honest, I'm kind of scared because that's the final test to all my hard work though. As funny as it sounds and I joking around, like if the engine blows or something goes wrong, I don't want that to happen because I just don't have the means to fix the car now, so the car has to be sitting for a while. Yeah, that's my life now. If I tell you that I'm not scared, I would be lying. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, and fingers crossed, then she's gonna survive. So with that being said, cold start. We're leaving now. I'll get you guys when I get there because I want to just spend time driving and paying attention to the car. It's like a rough 30 minutes drive from here to the shop, and I'll get you guys when we get there. There she goes. There she goes. Yeah, boy, it's running rich. Boys, we are here at LC3 Performance. We are having some challenge with the dyno, so I have to wait. Actually, I have been here for like 3 hours, but he's gonna take for a ride now, just make sure how it drives, and then if it's okay, if the dyno is back on, then we're gonna put it there to see the power. But for now, we gotta wait. Day 2. As you can tell, I'm back in the Corvette, but it's not tuned yet. I'll say it's a mix of feelings though. We had an issue with the dyno. Also, one of my O2 sensors were bad, which actually was the extension. When I put the headers back on, melted. So I'm going back now to see what we can do. The car drives better though. He did some laptop tunes, but his dyno wasn't working when I was there. And to be honest, I'm just like frustrated with everything, like time-wise. It's not that it's hard to get done or anything else. It's just like the time. I don't have too much time. Like when I schedule a tune session, it's like I took a day off for it and didn't work, and then with my son's schedule, so it's like a 9-to-5 job, a son schedule, wife, house, family stuff. That's what it's frustrating to me, but we need to make the best of it, right? We need to make the best of it and make sure the car runs fine. And as I mentioned on the introduction of this video, which probably was for me was like 2 days ago, I just hope the car doesn't break down, doesn't blow up. I'm gonna talk to the tuner. Sounds way better, drive was way better. I don't need, doesn't want to install it anymore. But if you can dial in a little bit and see how much power she puts down, I'll be happy. But I'm just sharing my frustration. We are heading to LS3 Performance right now, and to see what we can do if we don't have any more issues. Because to be honest, I just want to get the car ready and drive and enjoy.
How much you shooting for?
I mean, I don't care as long as she doesn't blow up. I mean, my friends, they were guessing. I don't know if it makes anywhere like 410. I'm happy. I think it would make more.
What engine is it? 6 liter?
6 liter V8.
Just cam?
Cam, long tube headers, no cats, cold air intake. What do you guess?
Probably anywhere from 420 to 430, probably.
Okay.
Yeah,
any guess?
430.
Come on, give me my right number so I can put on a video.
No, because the LS1's full bolt-on. They pretty much make they'll make about 400 wheels. So, and that's a 5.7.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if it makes anything, to be honest, I'm happy with. But if I have to guess a number, I would say 415, 420.
Yeah, I'm guessing anywhere from 420 to 430.
Yeah, okay. So you are a little bit more optimistic than me.
I guess 430.
430, there you go. Where'd you learn tuning?
Started with the standalone back 15 years ago. Standalone, Holly standalone, started messing around with it. I was already a technician, so that helps a lot. Then I went to some seminars. I've probably been to like 50, 60 seminars.
Cool.
And then I went to tuning school in between there too. There's a lot of things. But
it's definitely the tuning school, it's worth it, do you think?
Yeah, but...
Or more experience kind of
So, alright, so I feel like you only grab so much from each of them.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense.
You're not going to learn it all in one.
You know, like, you're not going to go in one and think like, okay, I'm good.
Right. You can take a little bit from one, take a little bit from another, take a little bit, and then you put it all together.
And make your own kind of thing.
Yeah, then you could do it.
Cool.
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're just learning one car, you could learn it a little quicker.
You basically do everything.
I tune everything. It's just you need to learn different software formats. That's all.
Gotcha.
You know, like the Chevy ECU, even like HP tuners. If I'm using HP tuners, on this car versus a Mustang or Ford, it reads like the ECU setup is different. It's different. But as far as making power, it's still air fuel, still a spark. So you should be able to tune, you know.
Gotcha. All right, your guys they were guessing the number. You wanna guess?
So you got a cam,
headers, X5, cold air intake, nothing else. I said 415 just to give you a base.
I'm thinking 425.
Okay, I hope I'm wrong. My goal is like if she doesn't blow up,
oh
that's it.
You signed the thing, right?
I did. I think I did. One thing you don't realize is how much time goes into a dyno session. All the safety protocols, like make sure the car is really strapped to it and everything else. So it takes a while though. That's why it's not cheap. And I get why, because it takes time. It's a lot of details into it. It's my first dyno session, and I just want to share with you all because it's pretty amazing that we think when we watch YouTube videos and we just see the car on the dyno, we think, okay, that's put in that. No, it has so much stuff to do with it. All right, here we go, first run.
power, 395 torque. That's your baseline.
That's the baseline.
I had to let off the first time because it was too lean.
Gotcha.
So I had to make an adjustment.
That's not bad for the first time.
No, not bad.
Let's
see what we can get.
413 for the first run. Damn it, dude. It was better than I thought. So here we go, second run. 420 and 399. A little better again. 3 runs so far, 413, 417, 420. We're getting horsepower though. I'm happy as it is now. If he wants to stop here, I'm happy. First of all, because the car is running. Second of all, because it's 420. It's a good number though, you know what I'm saying? It's a good number. She didn't blow up yet. So more to come, more to come. I want to say thank you for all your, you know, open your schedule and stuff. If you guys ever need anything, can I leave your information on the video and stuff? Absolutely. Instagram, everything. You just need to call him and make an appointment. But hey, thank you, buddy. That was stressful, but I'm happy with it. Did good. It came out good. Yeah. 2-0. She's back, boys! She is back! Ready to roll! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, I'm happy. She works. There's just one little issue that we need to take care of it. But she is good. Though they're there. So nice. Ah, look at that. I'm gonna burn too much gas though. Let it go. Like in second gear, does more. But hey, I'm so happy with it. Come, dude. What a day. Not a day. What a journey. What a journey with this bad boy here. That's it. That's it. We made it. The car is really good to drive. I drove it. You guys, I hope you guys heard how she sounds. And that's it. Here we end the journey of the can swap Corvette. And not only that, just the experience, you know, I want to say thank you to everybody who helped me along the way. Dave, Pete, Ray, a lot of people helped me along the way. Of course, big thank you to LC3 Performance to take care of the tuning, which is like the annoying part, and working with me for sure. I really appreciate. There's all the information, links for his Instagram, for his shop number, everything. If you live in North Jersey and you need a tune or anything, he can do anything. Performance or even with your daily driver, he can take care of you. All right, so right now I just want to enjoy the car, drive, enjoy, and you know, glad that I took to this though. It was very stressful. Sometimes I was hopeless, but it was worth it. Every single time that I thought about giving up, I was like, no, I see a light at the end of the tunnel. So, and it was worth though. That's like everything in life, like hard work always pays off. And that's the big thing about this project. We're gonna see what is the next one though. I'm not stopping here, and I hope you guys enjoy. As always, thank you so much for all your support throughout this process, and I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.